be a very exciting day because we're going to pick up the Airstream. Yay! After selling the Rebel, I went into this Great Depression. No, not really, but I did miss being on the road and always constantly moving, the freedom of all of that. I started doing some research and we came across the Airstream. We went to an Airstream dealer, and after I saw the new classic model, it was pretty much over for me. It is a really beautiful travel trailer. So today we're gonna pick it up in Wyoming. It's different than the Rebel, and yeah, so we'll see. We are at the Airstream of Wyoming. This is where we're gonna pick up the Airstream today. We went to a couple of Airstream dealerships, and this one is probably the best one that I come across. Very pretty. There's the truck. So before buying this Airstream, we would have to buy a truck first. This is the 2024 GMC AT4X. Hello. For us, in order to order the classic model, we had to put down $2,000 deposit. You typically won't see a new classic model in the showroom, and it takes around 6 to 8 weeks for it to get made and delivered. This is like the Rebel. This one is new, I think. This is what we have on our truck right now, this Blue Ox. It is a weight distribution hitch, and I highly recommend getting this if you have an Airstream longer than 25 feet. It just makes it very stable when you're towing it in the highway. But definitely stop here to get all of your things if you don't have it when you pick up your trailer. The only thing you really need is toilet paper, the Happy Camper, and maybe sewage dumper in here. So that's pretty much all you kind of need for the first night. If you want to go an extra step, this is a really good thing to have also, but I don't recommend drinking water directly from your sink.
And you just plug into this Ethernet port here on the side. Okay. You have your Ethernet port here. Here.
Watch this now. What kind of port? Oh. Unless you're under there and then it hits you in the face. Yeah. Look at them. I'll look at this. And if you're really good on these, if you wrap these up, I've done this a lot, so I'm pretty good at it. Velcro mates up, and it'll just stick up there with Velcro. Up there, that black strip is an LED light. All my fans up there. So you flip it up. It goes up. Come down. You have to flip it again. It's really easy once you learn.
This is the 2024 30 Classic. This Airstream is 7,700 pounds base weight, and the max weight of this is 10,000 pounds. It is actually 31.5 feet long and 8.5 feet wide. Exterior height is 9'7", and the interior height is 6'7". We just picked her up, so I'm going to give you a tour before I furnish her, or actually come fully furnished. But I'm gonna make it more homey. So the reason why we bought this Airstream instead of anything else is because of this couch. So this will fold out into a bed. Very cool. So it has recliners here that you can recline. And then it also turns into a bed. And the leather is so comfy, so soft. So this is what sold me on this Airstream. We have these cabinets right on top, and I already put some, organizer up here. This is where the Starlink housing gonna stay or live. And then we move on to the kitchen area. So you have a sink, a stove, and a microwave oven. Very cool. And then this is the dining area. And this right here can be folded into a bed also. I'm not gonna do it right now, but eventually I will do it. And we have a TV, smart TV. Up there you have cabinets with organizer that I put in. And then you also have a radio stereo system. Over here is where all of my kitchen things are gonna live. Ooh, very good in there. We have this full-size refrigerator. That is quite nice. The only bad thing is that it doesn't have an ice maker. So I just have to live without an ice maker, but it is a big refrigerator. Moving on, we have the closet here, and it is actually a very big closet. Shoe organizer. And I actually bought this organizer here just to give me some organization in this small closet. Actually, it's not small, it's bigger than the Rebel, so. And then we have that system down there, which I'm not gonna go over right now. Next to the closet is the bathroom. And it's a full-size bathroom, and it is separate from the toilet. Very nice. I might get the teak sitting here too, because I kind of like the look of the teak. So this you have to buy separately. It doesn't come with the Airstream. But yep. And then this is the bathroom. Let me turn on the light for you. And I like the light from here. It comes on gradually. You have plenty of storage space in here, and I love this part right here. All my lotion and potion. And you also have this huge compartment over here also, and another big compartment up here. So very cool. Okay, and you have this full-size mirror in here, and you also have this mirror over here. And this is the bedroom. So with the bedroom, I like this orientation because it gives us nightstand on both sides. And we have more storage up there. And underneath the bed, there's even more storage. If I can lift this up, here we go. More storage down here. And you get access to it through these doors in there. Pretty nice. And that is the Airstream. Her name is Zoe. Well, she is unfurnished. So I'm gonna go and decorate her. This is the fun part for me. This is what I didn't get to do with the Rebel. This is with the Blue Ox. This is the intimidation part of owning the Airstream versus the Rebel. This is our new Airstream with our new truck. That is so long. Oh my goodness. Just going on and on and on.
Thank you for watching. Until next time.